Hello guys, today we have on the menu Nigerian okra soup and my husband is in the kitchen. Now let's watch him and see how he gets it done. So right here he has some kale that he's chopping up. We did not have ugu, we didn't have any of the greens that they normally use, so he substituted with kale. So he loves to chop the kale very small. He's very particular about that. Details matter. He likes it small, and so he's chopping away. Meanwhile, he's chopping over on the stove. He has the meats that he's boiling. So in that, he has some catfish. He has stockfish, which in my culture is called saltfish. He has also pomo, which in my culture is called cow skin. He has goat, and he has mackerel fish, which in my culture is also mackerel. So he has all of that boiling. In the meantime, he's now put on the pot to put everything together. So this is the palm oil. He added something called ogbono. Ogbono is like a thickening or an agent that makes the okra draw some more. I mean, without boiling it. So he didn't boil it. Some people like to do that. So he just put in the ogbono with the palm oil and he's stirring it a little. Then he's gonna add, well, he decided to add a little more ogbono because he said it wasn't enough. He eyeball stuff, guys. He is not measuring. So, I mean, if we want measurement, I'll have to write it down in the chat. But here we are again. So he puts in all of that. The ogbono, the palm oil goes together. I think he'll add some crayfish. But before that, he will add peppers that he has blended together. Now, some people use onion. My husband he doesn't use onion with soup. Never had, never, he doesn't like it. So when he blends it, he blends onions. He blends peppers. He just blends peppers with water. And so at this point, he's just going to put it all together.
I made it one time with
the pepper and everything, the meats and all of that. He's just building on the flavors. So
oil is hot.
We're waiting.
Now he's gonna put his blended seasoning.
He's having the palm oil kind of
And pepper.
put together. There he is pouring in now the pepper. I like it spicy, very spicy. My husband is not so spicy, but I love the spice. So we're putting it in. Then he's gonna put in his crayfish. After he adds the crayfish, he's gonna also add the meats, and then he's gonna start there. See, he's put in the crayfish. So okra uses a lot of fish. People use fish with it. I mean, and so the crayfish, as I said, is a shrimp that they roast, and I guess after they've roasted them small shrimp, then they blend it, and they put that in almost everything. They put it in eggs. When you make egg sauce, you can put it in there. So here he goes. All those things are now being, coming together, the flavors and everything. You don't even want to smell that kitchen. It was lit. Anyway, he is going to add his meats. And after that, we will, there he is, adding all his meats. And he add the juice too, guys. So what he boiled everything in, he just poured it all in there. Look at that goodness, guys.
And I'm sure you can
I just love me some okra soup. So he's putting it all together, mixing those flavors, and he's gonna put it on the stove and let it sit there for about 10 minutes, just cooking, seven minutes or so. Again,
crayfish.
my husband just puts together. He doesn't give me times. I'm just watching it. So he puts it in and he adds some more, a little more liquid, you know, and then he has it to cover, and he's going to make that baby boil. It's going to be delicious. Ah, guys, you should smell it. It is so good. See?
Pretty easy,
More water.
you know?
And he's just going to make it simmer.
If you have
Now,
everything
if you
together,
guys don't know how to cook it,
no time.
I can put it in the chat exactly how much measurements he did, but again, he's an eyeballer. So there he is. So after it's boiled for 7 minutes, he goes in with the okra, guys. He adds the okra in, and he cuts them in different sizes. I forgot to mention. Some are a little bit bigger than others, and he just goes in. I mean, this is like about 3 packs of 3 big packs of okra that we had bought, and he just cut it up, and look how it looks. Oh my goodness, full of okra. I love okra. Did I say that? Oh, anyway, I'm a foodie, don't mind me. So he's gonna add, there it is, he's adding the kale right there, and look at that goodness, guys. That was so delicious. I did not even I had so much because I love the okra. Not even the meat. I love the okra in there and the greens. This was delicious, guys. I want you to try it when you get some time. Don't let the new year pass and you don't try it, okay? And tell me what it tastes like. I thank you so much for watching this little snippet of my husband in the kitchen giving me his favorite soup, guys. If you taste it, oh, it is so good. If you did this, so anyway, I got to go because I am going to have mine. Next time I will show you us eating it. But until then, please look at it, enjoy. Just try to smell, perceive the scent that is coming. And I will catch you in the next time when my husband is doing some shenanigans in the kitchen. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Look at the food. I'm ready to eat. Yikes. I don't go there chop. I go there chop. All right, guys. Love you. See you again. Bye-bye.